StandartProductFld. What is StandartProductFld? How to remove it from your computer. StandartProductFld is categorized as adware or a potentially unwanted program, PUP. It typically infiltrates systems through software bundling or deceptive advertising techniques. Once installed, it integrates into web browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, displaying intrusive advertisements, modifying browser settings, and tracking user browsing habits. Signs of StandartProductFld infection: unwanted advertisements, pop-up ads, banners, in-text ads, or sponsored links appearing on websites. Browser redirects, redirecting your browser to unfamiliar websites. Changes in browser settings, modifying your browser's homepage, default search engine, or new tab page without consent. Sluggish performance, slowing down your browser or computer due to resource consumption. How to remove StandartProductFld. 1. Scan with antivirus software. Use a reputable antivirus or anti-malware program to scan and remove the adware. 2. Quit suspicious processes. Open Task Manager, Windows, or Activity Monitor, Mac, and end any processes related to StandartProductFld. 3. Uninstall suspicious apps. Go to your system settings and uninstall any unfamiliar or suspicious applications. 4. Remove suspicious browser extensions. Open your browser settings and remove any extensions related to StandartProductFld. 5. Clear browser data. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any residual data from the adware. 6. Reset browser settings. Reset your browser settings to default to undo any changes made by the adware. Detailed steps for removal. 1. Windows, Control Panel. Go to Control Panel Programs, uninstall a program. Look for StandartProductFld and uninstall it. Browser extensions. Open your browser, go to Settings, and remove any suspicious extensions. 2. Mac, Applications folder. Open Finder, go to Applications, and drag any suspicious apps to the trash. Browser extensions. Open your browser, go to Settings, and remove any suspicious extensions. 3. Use Malwarebytes. Download and install Malwarebytes, a reputable anti-malware tool, and run a full system scan to remove any remaining traces of StandartProductFld. By following these steps, you should be able to remove StandartProductFld and restore your system to normal operation.